Myself, Hiral, and he's my father. He was in an emergency situation when we shifted him to care for his further medical management. The basic problem he had pedal and facial edema with breathlessness, which he's actually on medicines and he's an MVR patient. So he's regularly on medications, but because of loads of medicine since years, he has got some kidney function problem, breathlessness, fluid collection in the lung, which we could actually find because of his breathlessness. Initially, he was not having fluid collection with the lungs, but at that time, when on December 4th he got admitted in the hospital, he was diagnosed to have pleural effusion in both the lungs. We tried to manage it at home with the medicines, but he could not recover. And on the OPD basis, we transferred him to Care Hospital under Dr. Pritesh Parekh. He was our concerned cardiologist. And after taking his OPD tests, echo, he could found that there was a lot of fluid collection in both the lungs, जिसकी वजह से उनको hospital admit करना पड़ा in an emergency. So we admitted him, and Dr. Pritesh took very good care of my father. He treated him with injections. He was admitted in the medical ICU. We were planning to get it tapped also, if at all we could not recover it with the injections. But with God's grace and doctor's treatment, he was out of it without the tapping procedure. Only he was managed medically with the injections, Lasix infusion, all 24 hours together, and other antibiotics and medicines. The doctors in the ICU took very good care of my father, and the services provided were very timely, and medicines, treatment, everything was absolutely fine, which helped my father to recover in 2 to 3 days. So that was like a boon for us when he was in a critical situation. The nursing as well as the paramedical staff, the medical officers, all were quite supportive. They took good care of my father. Correct diagnosis, timely treatment, and patient guidance. Matlab, the moral support given to the patient, his guidance, and the way he treated the patient made him well as early as possible. Because of that, he could recover within 2 to 3 days. The services provided were really good. Yeah, I would definitely suggest the other patients to come to Care Hospital. The doctor services, the paramedical staff, as well as the ambience is very good, and the patient gets well soon here.